Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be looking at detoxing our bodies to heal and restore. And also, once you heal and restore your entire body, like weight loss is just one of the things that naturally occurs because you're shedding excess waste basically. We're also going to be looking at healing our reproductive organs, which is our creative organs, which helps to promote your creativity. And I also put celibacy in the title because I think it's vital to sometimes abstain. Abstaining permits you to let go and release any unhealthy attachments, not just abstaining from sex, also abstaining from anything you may be consciously or unconsciously addicted to, such as food or social media. By abstaining, it can help to basically break you free from your addictions. It can be so vital and beneficial in your healing journey. By abstaining from anything, it can be so beneficial for your mind, body, and soul. Releasing and letting go of attachment. It's so empowering to see the strength of your willpower. I challenge you to abstain from anything that you may be addicted to, whether it be chocolate, social media, sex. When we abstain from anything that we think we need, it also teaches us so much gratitude. It basically permits us to meet our highest possible self. And when we do go back to whatever it is that we were doing, it can actually improve our experience as well and make it even better. So without further ado, let's jump straight into this video. I really hope that this video empowers you and brings you to the realization that ultimately you are in control. You literally have the power. So take back your power. You have so many choices, and I really hope that you make wise decisions. So the first thing we're just going to do is raise our arms all the way up and take a deep inhale, filling our body with new energy, new oxygen, healing. And then we're just going to come up onto our toes, which is a really good position. And then we're going to do like little circles, clockwise first and then anti-clockwise. And finding that balance, just feel how it feels to be on your toes. This pose is really good at healing your womb. Open up your arms to help you balance, and then see if you can raise them all the way up and take a deep inhale. And now we're just gonna like raise our thighs up and then come back to doing the circles. And then now we're gonna like focus on opening up our hips. By opening up our hips, we allow more blood flow to flow, like especially to our creative organs. And more blood flow promotes more oxygen and more healing, of course. Wherever you promote more circulation to the body, you basically promote healing. It allows it to detox and restore. So we've just came into like a bind position, and you can just clasp your arms together behind your back. This is a really deep hip opener, and it's amazing the correlation between opening up the hips and how much it'll open up your creative side within your mind as well, allowing you like new innovation and new ideas. You are a powerful creator. You are literally co-creating your life. Now we've just came up all the way, opening up the hips and then back down into a yoga squat. As you raise up like that, inhale. If this is too much, guys, you're fine just to stay in a yoga squat. Yoga squats are so amazing at detoxing the whole reproductive system, allowing blood flow, oxygen, and new energy. Yoga squats help to direct energy downwards, and therefore it helps to stabilize your energy. It also promotes mobility to your ankles and strengthens your thighs. We are now just going to come into a forward fold, which really helps to promote healthy digestion. which is another great detoxing method for the body because it helps to get rid of all the waste and just go at your own pace. If you need to bend your knees, that's more than okay. Always ensure that you're not folding from your lumbar spine and you're folding from your hips to prevent any injury. We are now just coming into a boat pose, which is another amazing pose. It really helps to strengthen your core and also strengthening your hamstrings. And wherever you are with your boat pose, is exactly where you need to be. If you want to make it even harder, try to touch your head to your legs. If not, just keep it like wherever you are is exactly where you need to be. Do not allow your ego to deceive you. You are exactly where you need to be in this moment. So now we're just going to come into like a butterfly pose, another great hip opener, and see if you can like push your knees all the way to the floor. We are now just going to stretch out one leg at a time, like so, finding our balance. Now, if you can, both legs at the same time, finding your balance, find your breath, find your center. Inhale deeply into your body, exhale, let it go. With each inhale, really envision your body being purified and cleansed with the new healing abundance of oxygen. And with each exhale, really let go of anything that no longer serves you. Anything you're holding on to that you no longer need, let it go. We are now just going to come into lotus, and then we're going to eagle our arms as well, which is an amazing stretch for our shoulders. If you cannot do this, please do not worry because this is quite an advanced pose. And as you raise up all the way back, ensure to inhale deeply, taking a deep inhale to your lungs, and then as you lower your body, exhale. Now we are just going to come into a split, middle split, which is amazing at opening up the hips. And wherever you are, that's more than okay. Taking it down to the floor or as low as you can go. Really envisioning and feeling and seeing that healing oxygen flowing through our hips, our creative organs, our entire being, our legs, all the way to our heart, our stomach, and then last but not least, up through our throat, all the way to our head and our crown chakra. Now we're just going to come into a beautiful pigeon pose. This pose is really great for releasing anxiety. If you feel anxious or you feel like you really need whatever you're trying to give up, you can get into this pose and just breathe. And always remember, guys, that you lack nothing. Whenever I fast, like from all foods, I truly get to meet my higher self, and you're like more connected, you deeper the connection with Source, leading you to enlightenment. And this pose is also amazing for your shoulders, and it really opens up the front body whilst also opening up the hip and the thighs. Fasting not only detoxes your entire system as it allows like more prana, energy, oxygen flow to like go through the whole entire system, and it also leaves so much energy left in the body because the body uses so much energy to digest. So that excess energy basically goes, instead of working on your organs, your digestive and all that other stuff, it basically goes to your mind and your head. It goes up into your intuition, and that's why you feel so enlightened, and also expanding your consciousness. But also, the one thing I was about to say is, when you do go back to eating, you feel so much gratitude. Even like literally the taste of like a blueberry, you'll be like, wow. You'll be so grateful just to taste it. And gratitude is like one of the highest vibrational frequencies as well. This position feels so amazing at stretching your shoulders as well, releasing and letting go of any tension in the shoulders. And then we are just going to finish off with a pose that helps to cultivate peace. We're coming into downward dog just to relieve any stress. Breathe deeply, let the belly expand, and as you exhale, contracting it all back in. So to finish off the practice, we're just going to come into a balancing pose, which really helps us to find our center. We just came into a yoga squat before we get into it. I feel like balancing poses really help to ground and center you and to help you remain focused. It really helps to focus on one place in the room whilst you do balancing poses. And don't worry if you lose your balance, it's perfectly fine. Perfectly imperfect. It is your practice. We just took a moment to breathe whilst in a yoga squat, and then come all the way up to your tippy toes, and then inhale as you raise up. Big expansion of the lungs. Really let the air inflate you, and then contract everything back in as you exhale. And now we're just going to take our left foot and come down, bringing your chest all the way down. This is a great hip opener. And then open the arms like an eagle, and basically find your center in this finding pose, the balance, find the stillness from within. And now doing the other leg, and I'm so sorry you guys, my child is very loud in the background. Apologies, I've asked him so many times to keep it low, but what can you do? Lastly but not least, I just want to come back into this void pose, as I truly want us to understand, like, literally your body is like a vessel. Wherever you want to go, it's truly your choice, and like, enjoy your journey, like, truly, because it's the best part. Don't be in a rush to always be at a destination. It's like a dance. Like, enjoy it. Like, don't rush it. Enjoy the dance of life. Coming into chair pose, Utkatasana, which is really great at strengthening your glutes. Keep your toes together and try and get even lower if you can, raising your arms all the way up. And now we're just going to dive it all the way down and exhale, relax into the exhale. And to finish off, we're just going to raise our arms all the way up. Take a deep inhale, breathing deeply into the body. Hands to heart, bowing down to your heart, thanking yourself for your practice. Finally, for our Savasana, we are just going to come into this position. If this is painful for your knees or your back, please do not do it. Just lie in a different way, just lie flat. And then we are just going to diamond shape our feet, connecting them together, really deep hip opener, and our arms all the way raised behind. If this is too much, then please just lie flat and relax, but really relax into this pose and just breathe. letting everything go. Surrender to the exact moment and feel the bliss and joy and love. And do not forget that you are love. You are infinite love and potential. And I really hope that this video has empowered you. And I hope you find it useful, and I really hope that it heals you. I'm sending you nothing but positive energy and love and light. I love you guys, and I shall see in my next upload. Just breathe deeply, mindfully, and consciously. And I encourage you to stay in this as long as you can. But if you are time limited, please open your eyes and make your way slowly up. We are now just going to take a deep inhale up as we raise our arms all the way up, and then hands to heart. And again, deep inhale, arms all the way up, and then hands to heart. Thank you guys. You are beautiful. I love you. Sending you nothing but peace, love, and light. I shall see you guys in my next upload, and do not forget to practice conscious breathing. Please do subscribe for loads more if you found this useful. It enables me to make way more content. I love you.